Today's class is we are going to solve the recurrence relation an equal to 3an minus 1 plus 1 using the method of generative function. Let the generative function f of a and b summation g of x is equal to n equal to 0 to infinity an x power n, and substitute n equal to 0 to infinity we have a naught x power 0 plus a1x plus a2x square plus etc. an x power n, which is nothing but a naught plus a1x plus a2x square plus etc. Now given function is equal to 3an minus 1 plus 1, and multiplying both sides, by x power n and taking summation over n equal to 1 to infinity, because here put n equal to 1 here, which gives the minimum value a0. Therefore we are putting n equal to 1 to infinity. Suppose we have the equation start from n itself, we can start from n equal to 0 to infinity. Therefore since here a n minus 1 is there, therefore put n equal to 1 to infinity, which gives the minimum value a0. Therefore summation n equal to 1 to infinity an into multiply by x power n equal to 3 into summation n equal to 1 to infinity an minus 1 into x power n plus summation n equal to 1 to infinity 1 into x power n. Now put n equal to 1. Here we have a1x plus a2x square plus etc. an x power n equal to 3 into summation n equal to 1 to infinity. Here we want both the power and the prefix must be equal. Therefore take x outside. We have a n minus 1 x power n minus 1 plus summation n equal to 1 to infinity x power n, which is equal to a1x plus a2x square plus etc. an x power n equal to 3x into, when put n equal to 1 we have a0 n equal to 1 here x power 0 plus x power 0 is 1 plus put n equal to 2 ax plus a1x a2x square plus etc. plus summation n equal to 1 to infinity, put x is equal to n equal to 1 to infinity, here x plus x square plus etc. x power n, which is we know that g of x is equal to a naught plus a1x plus a2x square plus etc. Therefore a1x plus a2x square plus etc. is nothing but g of x minus a naught. Therefore here we have, there is no a naught, therefore which can be written as a1x plus a2x square plus etc. can be written as g of x minus a naught, which is equal to here 3x into, here a naught plus a1x plus a2x square is nothing but g of x into g of x, plus when taking x outside 1 plus x square plus etc. This is g of x minus, where a naught is equal to 1, which is given, minus 3x into g of x is equal to x into, here 1 plus x square is nothing but 1 by 1 minus x. We know the formula. We know the formula. Summation n equal to, we know that summation n equal to 0 to infinity x power n equal to 1 by 1 minus x. Therefore, replace this. This is nothing but summation n equal to 0 to infinity 1 x power n. Therefore, take g of x outside. G of x into, when taking g of x outside, this is remaining 1 minus 3x. Minus 1 is there, minus 1 is equal to x by 1 minus x. That is g of x into 1 minus 3x is equal to, when taking minus 1 to the right hand side, x by 1 minus x plus 1. This is equal to cross multiply x plus 1 minus x divided by 1 minus x, which is nothing but 1 by 1 minus x. Therefore, g of x is equal to, when take to the right hand, 1 minus 3x to the right hand side, 1 by 1 minus x into 1 minus 3x. By partial fraction, we have to take, this is a by 1 minus x plus b by 1 minus 3x. These two terms are linear terms. Therefore, in the numerator, we have constant. Constant divided by the linear factors. B is a constant divided by linear factor. Cross multiplying and are taking the LCM, we have, and cancelling these two terms, 1 equal to a into 1 minus 3x plus b into 1 minus x. Put x is equal to 1 by 3 and put x is equal to 1 by 3, left hand side is equal to 1, right hand side we have, it is 0, the a term is 0, therefore b into 1 minus 1 by 3, 1 equal to, here this is 3, b into 3 minus 1 by 3, this is b into 2 by 3, therefore b equal to 3 by 2. We have b, and put x is equal to 1, we have the left hand side 1, right hand side is, put x is equal to 1 here, the a into 1 minus 3 plus b is 0. Therefore, a into minus 2 equal to 1, which implies a equal to minus 1 by 2. Now we have a and b values. We have a and b values. Therefore, g of x is equal to 1 by 1 minus x into 1 minus 3x is equal to, a value is minus 1 by 2 divided by 1 minus x, b value is 3 by 2 divided by 1 minus 3x, which is nothing but minus 1 by 2 into 1 minus x inverse, when to the numerator, plus 3 by 2 into 1 minus 3x power minus 1, which is equal to minus 1 by 2 into, when expanding this using the expansion formula, 1 minus 1 plus x square plus etc. Here x power n plus 3 by 2 into, here also using the expansion formula, 1 plus 3x plus 3x whole square plus 3x whole cube plus etc. plus 3x power n, which is nothing but minus 1 by 2, 1 plus x square plus etc. plus x power n plus 3 by 2 into 1 plus 3x, 3 square x square plus etc. 3 power n x power n. Now we have an equal to coefficient of x power n. Therefore, minus 1 by 2 into, here coefficient of x power n is equal to 1 plus 3 by 2 into, in this term coefficient of x power n equal to 3 power n. This is an. Therefore, minus 1 by 2 plus 3 power n plus 1 divided by 2, which is an.